There's nothing better in the wintertime than the smell of a home-cooked meal. Whether it's something in the crock pot, something cooking in the oven, it just gives your home a really cozy smell. I love that feel. Even if I'm working away on the computer and I can smell something cooking, it just gives me such a happy feeling. My husband comes home from work and he can smell something cooking. It just lights his face up, and I love having those home-cooked meals. Today I want to share something a little bit different with you than some of my normal recipes. This one's going to take a little bit more work, but it's not hard. It's a traditional cottage pie recipe, and if you have not heard of cottage pie, it's a really traditional meal where you can throw all kinds of things together. And in today's recipe, it's not going to be very difficult. It might take a little bit of time. You probably even have a lot of these ingredients already on hand, so I'm sure it's something that you could whip up on an afternoon of a weekend or a day off. Give it a try. Let me know what you think, and I cannot wait to hear. Now, if you have tried cottage pie before, or something similar is shepherd's pie, then let me know in the comments when you head over there, because I love knowing your tweaks or your tips or your tricks to make it even better. So please share your ideas with me. I cannot wait to hear. I'm going to include the link with this video where you can head on into the blog. It's going to give you all the ingredients, the recipe, all of the breakdown. Once you're over there, I'm going to actually pop another link where you can get some more healthy recipes, some other things to try. So if you've been trying to cook a little bit more from scratch, do a little bit more in your home instead of eating takeout all the time, this is a nice traditional family meal that I'd love for you to give it a try. Let me know how it goes. If we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Gaylene Gomez. I'm the owner of Compass Rose Nutrition and Wellness, and I help women really boost their energy and lose unwanted weight with healthy eating and simple lifestyle changes. I do love cooking from scratch, but I know that it's not always possible to have this amount of time. So this recipe is just a fun afternoon, weekend, or holiday treat that you can maybe put together, and then dive on in for some other simple recipes, because I have tons of tips and recipes inside that you can dive into. Now head on over, and I cannot wait to hear how it goes.